Hey, Caitlin. Joshua here with Peterson SEO, and thank you for requesting this video today. Today I want to talk about clean earth restorations, and let's just take a quick peek at your website real fast. I do like on how you have these tabs up here. Um, Clean earth restorations, I do not, okay, this must be your logo here. Um, okay, I see you have a number here. Your phone number. Okay, let's see. I like it. You have clickables here, it looks like. Crime scene death and death cleanup. Wow, you have all these services. It's really nice. And then you have a video here. Nice. Awesome. But before we get more into this, I'd like to show you the 3 different ways on how you can be found in Google by your customers and future clients. So, say for instance that we type in water damage restoration, San Diego. I mean, these keywords go hand in hand. It just depends on what what you want to target, and what you want to be present for to better tailor your business. So, let's kind of scroll down. So the first thing is the sponsored uh, Google guaranteed ads um, right here. So this is way number 1 how you can be found. They usually land up here on the top. Okay, the second way you can be found it's is what's called the map pack area, and it has these top 3 positions that you can try to put your business and stuff here. The way to get here is you'll have to fully optimize your Google business profile. And also, you need to add what's called citations to your business, and it's just pretty much kind of like a phone book directory, if you will, for your business. So that's kind of what this is. So about 30% of your client customers uh, would find you here. Um, Scroll down. Now the third way you could be found is these 3 top positions right here, which is Yelp, Angie's List, Certified Restoration. Now these are the 3 top spots. Now these spots are known as the organics or the organic section. So with that being said, right here uh, in this water damage restoration or whatever you want to put here as your keyword, will determine who's up here. So let's just say you wanted to just do water damage. So let's just take a quick look at your website. And we did kind of look and scroll down, but what Google really looks for um, with websites on the homepage is content. Now I see here, if I scroll down really slow, okay, you have some content here. There's no keywords saved to your content. Okay, so I would say you have roughly about 300 words of content, uh, roughly estimating. And Google really loves about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. So let's pull up your competitor, Certified Restoration, and see where they're at. Okay, so scroll down. Now they do have some keywords here. Uh, Flood cleanup, water damage restoration that they saved to their home page. So they have the right idea. Let's kind of scroll down here. Okay, so I would say they roughly have about 800 words or so. And also the way that these keywords here, what Google really likes, is if you save one keyword for every 250 words of content. So that is pretty much what Google likes to um, look for in a website. So in order to get that optimized on the content end, we would need to optimize that fully and put at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. So, all right. So the next thing that I kind of want to discuss with you is let's go into what we call backlinks and keywords. So basically, this is a tool, excuse me, which we call Ahrefs. Now, I plugged in your live site, so cleanearthrestorations.com, and what we're looking for is we're looking at URDR. Okay, UR is the strength of your website right here, out of a 100-point scale. The DR is your trust that Google has for you. So what we really want to target and look for is your referring domains, because that is how many links you have going, or excuse me, how many websites you have linking back. So you have 281 linking back to your website. Right now you currently have 18 organic keywords, okay, so that are organics. So a few of these are you're using a couple of times. So, but yeah, these are the organic keywords that you are using, and we have them all right here. The volume that you're getting, and so forth. So let's take a quick look. Okay, you have 18 organic keywords. Let's take a look at your competitor and see. So you have what's called do follow. So all you don't want to do, what the do follow means is these follow up to how many effective referring domains that you have. So let's kind of look here at your competitor. So they have 210 do follow. Now let's kind of go scroll back and forth here. Now they have a higher trust with Google. They have 263 referring domains that go and link back to their site. So, excuse me, currently they have 81 organic keywords. And look at their organic traffic. They are getting 207 organic traffic just by water damage alone, water damage restoration. So that's pretty impressive as far as being on this third position. Of course, Angie's and Yelp are up here because they target national. So if we targeted um, locally, say for water damage restoration, then and we did what Certified is doing, and then a little bit more, like say that we added 270 referring domains, or 970 backlinks. Okay, so that would definitely give us some more traffic. So in a nutshell, but that's basically what we wanna do is kind of beat these guys, beat the competition, and kind of move forward with what they're doing and then some. So that's about all I have for you. Let's just remember the 3 different things on how you can be found. There's the sponsored, which is right here, and you have the map pack area, which 30% of your business is found right here, and of course the organics, which 70% of your future clients will find you here. So if you are not up here, um, that just basically leaves money on the table. So with that being said, that's about all I have for you. Um, I hope that this information was valuable to you. And if you need a guide, Caitlin, to help uh, walk you through the steps to improve your online presence, feel free to give me a call. My name is Joshua. I'm with Peterson SEO. You can reach me at 505-331-7995. And you can email me at joshua at petersonseoconsulting.com. And if not, no harm, no foul. This is free information for you to use, so do with it as you will. With that, I hope to connect with you soon. Thank you so much.